audio courses, lessons, and audio articles. Everyday new courses and audio articles to learn from. 280 topics, over 15,000 audio files. Learn for free. No time to wait. Get started with your online learning journey.
In this episode about homeschooling. Homeschooling or not? Much of what I thought about house education needed to be corrected. The conventional wisdom about this quickly growing dimension of American education is too basic, too stereotyped, and too stagnant. The Homeschool Legal Defense Association, regardless of its energetic attorneys and many admirers, is different from the leader of house education in this country. There is no leader and no ruling ideology. Instead, there are at least 1 million American kids. The actual figure is probably twice that number, whose households desire them to discover in the house for numerous factors, frequently having little to do with religious beliefs or politics. The typical image of homeschoolers as lockstep religious conservatives falls apart when you find that their fundamentalist churches have avoided some of these parents for teaching their kids at home rather than sending them to the church's school. Some homeschoolers enjoy the brand new for-profit online teaching programs like K-12. Some think they are a business plot. Some moms and dads are homeschooling because their kids are finding out more rapidly than their teachers could stay up to date with. Some are homeschooling since their kids learned more slowly than their public school instructors had the patience. Some homeschool because their children are unhappy at school. Some homeschool since they might not fulfill their requirements any other way. Public school educators often worry that the children of such individuals will not learn needed social skills. Homeschooling moms and dads stated their kids found out how to deal with other people just great, especially with the numerous grown-ups they came across when they visited the library, went to church, or did chores around the neighborhood. With their moms and dads so often at their side, they could see what good manners and confidence appeared like rather than be forced to adopt the jungle code of the middle high school passage. In many households, one parent remains at home to supervise the homeschooling, although they frequently do some work there to foot the bill or compromise with other homeschooling moms and dads when they need to be away. Home education includes a significant dedication from the moms and dads. At least one mom and dad should be willing to work carefully with the kid, plan lessons, keep up with requirements, and work out concerns with the school district. The most common homeschool plan is for the mother to teach while the daddy works out of the house. A range of instructional products is tailored for the homeschool and published by many suppliers. Some are correspondence courses that grade trainees' work, some are complete curricula, and some are single-topic workbooks or drill materials in math or phonics. Many curriculum companies are identifiably Christian, including several significant homeschools publishers such as Bob Jones University Press, Alpha Omega Publications, and House Study International. A primary non-religious service provider of house school materials is the Calvert School in Baltimore. Figures vary regarding the number of homeschools that use published curricula or correspondence courses. However, the Department of Education approximates that it is from 25 to 50%, the rest use a curriculum the parents and kids have designed. Education writer John Holt, a champion of house education, suggested that no specific location for the study was necessary. He encouraged moms and dads to use actual life activities such as operating in household service, composing letters, accounting, observing nature, and talking with old people as meaningful scholastic lessons. Homeschools may fall anywhere on the spectrum, between the firmly planned research study of an official curriculum and Holt's free-form, experiential learning. However, all parents interested in teaching their kids at home must learn what laws apply to their state and school district.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Audio content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.